Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. Festive season is just around the corner and I can feel the excitement in the air. We have a couple of guests coming over later this evening and my afternoon is going to get really busy. I am sharing 5 quick easy snack ideas that are perfect for this festive season. But before we start cooking, I want to give this area a quick tidy.
Straight cruising, headed for bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now. Hard working so you can be
Today I'm sharing a very delicious dessert recipe that is coconut pudding. It's creamy and delicious desserts that's always a hit with my family. I'll be using coconut cream, which is a store bought one, but you can always make it at home. Corn flour, water, and sugar. This is all that you need. In normal room temperature water, add corn flour and make a slurry, and to that add coconut cream, sugar, and whisk it nicely. Put it on a stove top till it starts thickening. If needed, then you can add a teaspoon of slurry more. Pour these in serving bowl and refrigerate it for few minutes, up to 30 to 40 minutes. Feel free to top this with any sort of tropical fruit or just serve it like that. While pudding is setting, let's prep some finely chopped vegetables like carrots, cucumber, capsicum, some boiled corns because we would be needing it for 2 main recipes. As we move along, don't forget to clear the dishes in between. No one likes to see a sink full of dirty dishes, especially when you're trying to enjoy festivities. I find that cleaning as I go helps to keep the kitchen organized and stress free.
Today, I've got better things to do. Okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun. Be the cat in the sun.
Serving infused water is an interesting way to elevate your hosting gestures. Just add few mint sprig in the water bottle and let it sit. I love using different glassware in unusual way, even for serving infused water in these beer glasses. It just adds a touch of elegance to the table. Now on to one of my favorite snacks, zucchini pizza bite. This recipe is a hit with every single person. It is so simple to make. Just top sliced zucchini with a bit of pizza sauce. Mix some cheddar or mozzarella cheese of your choice and just grill this on tawa or microwave for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. That's it. For an extra touch or unexpected flavor, you can also add some spring onions to it. Next up, we are making avocado, corn, cheese, rice balls. These are Japanese rice ball with a fun twist to the traditional onigiris. I hope this is how they pronounce it. If not, then please, I'm so sorry for mispronouncing it. I'm making this a less spicy version, so I'm not adding any spices to it, just garlic, salt, avocado, and boiled corns. But in case you want to make it spicy, add sriracha and mayonnaise to this, and it will turn into a very interesting filling. To the simple basmati boiled rice, add salt and rice wine vinegar. Give it a good mix without breaking the rice, and we are ready to shape it into balls. I'll make your life easier. Use cling wrap and a bowl and fill the filling in the center. Top everything with little bit of rice and some cheese and slowly wrap the cling wrap from all four corners. Add mix of sesame seed for added interest and taste, but that's really optional. Serve this with soya sauce and chili oil dip on side and you have rice balls ready. Right before your guests are about to arrive, I will like to grill all these zucchini bites. To wash down all these delicious snacks, I am making a guava chili drink. Yes, it's refreshing, tangy drink that is perfect for this festive season and it's super easy to make. Just mix guava juice and Indian spices like black salt, chaat masala along with few mint sprig. Just take some grated cucumber, garlic and salt, mix it together and keep it aside. To serve guava chili drink, I will use champagne cubes and on the rim I will add salt, Aleppo pepper and some honey. We will squeeze out all the water from this cucumber and use the cucumber along with some hung yogurt. Drizzle some olive oil and add the extra salt and pepper. Top it off with some sumac, zatar and little bit of more Aleppo pepper. Our dip is ready for the nachos. And last appetizer for this festive season is going to be this Cornflakes Bhel. This is going to be a sukhi bhel without any chutney, but feel free if you want to add it. And these are some of the ideas for a quick and easy snack for this festive season. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and found this video a little helpful, then please don't forget to give this video a like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you're new on this channel, then I post every single week on homemaking and hosting ideas. There are a couple of very interesting recipes on my channel, so do consider watching. I'll leave you with a good music until we see each other next time. Bye bye.